Hi, welcome to Carbon Doctor. My name is Kern. Many of our customers have asked us to explain what carbon cleaning is and how we go about it. In this video, we'll show you exactly how that is done. Carbon buildup on intake valves is caused by a few factors. Firstly, we have direct injection motors. These are the engines that suffer from carbon buildup. And then we have port injected motors. The big difference between the two is port injection. The injectors sit directly in the port above the intake valves, and when the fuel is injected into the motor, this fuel actually keeps the valves clean. In a direct injection engine, the intake is slightly different. So the injectors have been relocated to the cylinder head, and it's injecting directly into the cylinder chamber, bypassing the valves. In addition to that, modern cars have got something called EGR, exhaust gas recirculation, as well as PCV, which is the recirculation of oil vapor. When this oil vapor and exhaust gas recirculation combines in the system, it actually causes carbon to settle and deposit on the intake valves. When these valves become blocked, it can cause negative symptoms. Some of these symptoms would be rough idle, poor acceleration, excessive fuel consumption, and lack of performance. Carbon presents itself as black sludge that's deposited directly on the intake valves and can completely cover the valve, preventing the engine from breathing properly. Carbon Doctor uses the walnut blasting and vacuum method. The walnut blasting method is a special tool that latches onto the intake port. It blasts at high pressure walnut shells and vacuums at the same time. It's a self-contained process, which basically means that the blasting and vacuum happen simultaneously and no residue or dirt is expelled into the engine at all. In this video, we'll take you through the process from beginning to end. You'll watch how we remove the intake manifold, how we do the carbon cleaning using the walnut shell blasting method, and how we reassemble it afterwards. Take a look at this video, and I'll be back after the video to chat to you again. Now that you've seen that video, if you experience any of the following symptoms: rough idle, poor acceleration, excessive fuel consumption, and just general lack in engine performance, feel free to contact us. Drop us an email at info@carbondoctorsa.co.za. Alternatively, visit our website www.carbondoctorsa.co.za. I've also put a link in the description for your benefit.